All right, so I posted a video before about how to make grits in the Instant Pot Zest, but today we're about to try these. And yes, it's my first time trying these. My sister tried these when I was at her house. It's 5-minute quick grits or whatever, and I don't usually do quick grits. The back of it says stovetop directions as well as microwave directions. We're gonna do it stovetop style, although we're gonna be using the Instant Pot Zest. And I'm a little nervous about this because I don't do quick grits. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. I'm not gonna quite follow the directions on the back. I will make sure that I put a picture of what's on the back. But so I'm gonna do a cup of grits like I would typically do. If you go a little over, sorry. Ooh, well, clearly I went over. So I'm gonna do a cup of grits. And I'm going to do a cup of milk. The back of the package says 4.5 cups of liquid. I don't like the way that sounds. So I'm going to do my cup of milk. And then I'm going to do 3 cups of water. 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm gonna just give it a little quick stir to make sure there's no clumps in there. I would typically select the rice setting, but that's when I want to do it for a longer period of time. Today, I'm gonna select the oatmeal setting because I can adjust. So it says 5 minutes. Oh, it won't let me go lower than 20 minutes. Shame. Oh, maybe it will. Let's find out. Oh, this is embarrassing. 20 minutes is a bit much. Okay, we're gonna hit cancel. I'm gonna do steam. This might be dangerous, y'all. We'll do it for 10 minutes and let's see what happens. There we go. All right, so it's almost done. All right, what I am going to do now is get my good old handy dandy whisk. As you can see, it looks nice and liquidy, but we're gonna take care of that. For starters, I'm gonna go ahead and put some salt and some pepper in this bad boy. Now listen, I'm one of the people that got high blood pressure, so I can't do too much on this salt, but I don't need no tasteless grits. So I'm gonna do just a little bit of that. Do some pepper. Hopefully it don't have me sneezing my butt off, but I'm gonna do some pepper. All right, and now what we about to do is I'm about to get this good old whisk and I'm about to get in there. Oh, it's already feeling super liquidy like it didn't cook. Y'all, this is traumatic. So what I am going to do now, I'm gonna cook them a little longer and I'm gonna actually go and cook it on the rice setting, and just know that this is terrible. I would not recommend doing these instant grits this way. So what I'm gonna do is close this back because you see I have my little butter and I was ready. I'm gonna hit the rice setting. Hold on, hit cancel first. Hit the white rice setting and I'm gonna let it do what it do. And I will come back and let y'all know how that turns out. All right, so after I changed the rice setting, I've now already mixed it because I just feel like y'all didn't want to be bored with watching me mix up grits. But this is more so what they should look like after I cook them for an extended period of time. So lesson learned here is we're not going to use the steam setting, use the white rice setting with these 5-minute grits as you would use it with the regular old-fashioned grits. I've already put salt and pepper in them. I have not put butter in them yet, but I want to give them a quick second to kind of thicken up. I kind of like them at this consistency, not too runny, not too thick, but y'all, this is where it is. So I guess if you're going to do these 5-minute quick grits, it is best to also use the rice setting. That's it.